little flood.
So this is like what I told you guys, going to Tabanan nowadays when it's rainy season, it's so challenging. Flood everywhere.
Oh, actually it's deep here.
Yeah, you see. Oh my goodness.
It's actually very deep.
A few moments later.
Ah, so good. Yo, what's up, guys? How you doing today? All right. It's Saturday afternoon. It's already like 5 or 6. We are on the way to Tabanan because I have to pray. And well, Bali life, always praying.
So yeah, after working on Saturday, and then I was thinking like, you know, Damian was sleepy on the road, and then it was a big raining and flood on the road. So we just stopped in the, I don't know, in the one cafe shop
In
and
Canggu, by the
and buying coffee. So yeah, so it's a very nice cinnamon cake, and I think that I want to try Damian's cake.
That's mine, blueberry cake lah.
Okay guys, so cheers.
It's much go.
So good. Okay guys, so we really need your help. Why you laugh?
I don't know. That sounds so dramatic lah.
Wait, can we start again?
No, just continue. Don't cut this part.
Okay, so guys, this is serious thing. We really need your help. You have to put drama music on me lah.
Okay. Just keep going. This is already dramatic lah.
Okay, guys, one more time. We really need your help because one thing, the quarantine in Indonesia is extended till 10 days. Starting from 3rd of December, so it means like starting from yesterday. So nowadays the news is that whenever you coming to Indonesia and then planning to come to Bali, you have to be quarantined in Jakarta for 10 days and then you can fly to Bali. I cannot imagine myself in the hotel for quarantines, but I was hospitalized for 2 weeks. I didn't really like it. But okay, so why we need your help? We really need your help because we know that maybe most of you cannot come to Bali, and maybe most of you will celebrate Christmas in your home country. So we really need your help to send us the video of the Christmas. Do I really look like serious?
You make it very serious lah. Just keep going.
Okay, so we really need your help to what is it called? Send us the video how you celebrate Christmas and how is December actually in your home country. Maybe when you are out in the town, you can send us
the Christmas tree.
Show us Christmas trees. Maybe when you
Christmas
are from
market,
Christmas
because
market.
some European cities have a Christmas market, or your Christmas tree at home.
Yeah, whatever it is regarding to Christmas and New Year, maybe you can make a video regarding your hope about what do you wish for 2022.
And also Christmas wishes, maybe in your own language or in English, up to you. So if you're gonna make this video, just remember to make it in vertically like this one, not like this one, but like this one.
I will show you how to do it. So whenever you record yourself, like you have to make it like this.
Exactly. And the video format obviously and send to my email I will put in the comment section and in the description and everywhere, or you can put this on the server like Google Drive or Apple Drive or Dropbox or anything, but the easiest way is just to send on the email. And also please not too much long, like 30 seconds, 15, 20, 30 seconds is the best thing. We already once made a video like this about the, what was that actually? The places from all around the world where are you coming from, and now we are looking for the edition with Christmas
and New Year wish from all around the world.
So we can upload this video during the Christmas, probably on 25th, maybe. It's up to you. If you're gonna send us a lot of videos, we can make it. If not, I will show you empty street for Christmas instead. No.
Merry Christmas
Merry
for those
Christmas,
of you who
guys.
celebrate, and Happy New Year. All right. finished working today and look at the road already. What is it called? Traffic. Big raining on the Sunset Road and flood everywhere. So this is the road to go to Tabanan today on a big Sunset Road.
Oh, well. Welcome to Canggu. Canggu traffic is back. Some people who live in Indonesia for a long time, they could say as the hell is back because the traffic. This guy is not policeman, he just have a Harley with the police light. That's also welcome to Indonesia. Everything is possible. But honestly, traffic is back like a long time ago. But only in Canggu. I don't know why, but only in Canggu. Canggu is like new capital city of Bali. Like long time ago was Singaraja, now it's Denpasar, and I think in the future Canggu will be capital city because the traffic is like in Jakarta. But in Jakarta in the times when was really traffic, because currently I don't know, when I was in Jakarta was not as busy as is today right now in Canggu. That's unbelievable.
Yeah, I think that normally that when we go to Tabanan it just take me around 1 hour.
1.5, but today will be 2.5, I think.
Oh my goodness, what's going on? Yeah, it's just like only happen in Canggu. So once in our video, someone actually saying that I really want to know how is the road, you know, like Winnie going home, I mean going to Tabanan from Sanur to Tabanan. So now in this occasion I will show you how it is like my trip from Sanur to Tabanan. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the traffic back. Okay, it's already green, but we still stuck.
We still stuck. Have to honk a little bit. Do you miss Bali honks? What's going on here? Why so many
Pecalang police officers? I think, is it gonna be another mass checking? I don't know.
Something like that.
So we decided to buy a terang bulan or martabak for oleh-oleh for my mom, and look at this one, beautiful, nice food. And yeah, the process is actually, it's just like a sweet pancake. Look at this, so yum.
All right, so what did you buy, honey?
I just buy a sweet martabak, my oleh-oleh for my parents today at home.
Always remember, if you're coming to the local Balinese family or Indonesian, you have to bring oleh-oleh, which is something like a small little gift or something, whatever it is.
Already tired, and then I need to take shower, and then yeah, praying. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.